Smart Entertainment presents. Hey, we're out here on the streets right now to find out if anybody is smarter than their smartphone. Are you smarter than your smartphone? Let's find out. Come on. Let's see if we can find anyone at this crowded market who knows anything about Google services. Ladies, do you know anything about Google services? No. Fellas, let me ask you a question.
Go on.
You know anything about Google services?
A little bit.
You know what Google is?
Yeah.
Right? So what do you think Google services might be?
Maps.
Oh,
We're
yeah,
using
man.
a lot of maps.
Images.
Maps are useful.
Google Maps.
That's good.
Google search information.
Google Video. Google Search.
It's a advertising company as well.
Sure. Wow, that's a new one. Now, Google services, all the Google services. It's all for free, right when you get your phone. You get kind of an extra service. Do you think he likes to eat?
Yeah, he loves to eat.
Yeah, do you think he has a favorite restaurant? What's his favorite kind of food?
Vegetable Brazilian steak.
I could go on Google services right now, buddy, and I could find you the best restaurant in this area for vegetables. I could just go and be like, ooh, got some vegetables, where are they at? Do you like the weather? You think it's gonna rain?
Yeah.
Take the Google Weather app. You can play the weather forecaster. Yeah, okay.
Friday. 21. Saturday. 20.
Tell the world behind us. Tell the whole world. There they are.
Okay. The weather in Dubai today, 37 degrees.
What?
A lot better than we have here.
Wow, weatherman. What's that? And look at this. You can even give them the whole weekly weather.
37 degrees today. That's rubbish compared to the rest of the week, where we get 42 as a minimum.
I think Dubai is that way. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
With the Xperia Mini, you can improve your everyday mobile life with Google services pre-installed and ready to go. Go for it. Now you can improve your everyday mobile life with Google services. That was hilarious. Good.